Hello guys, this is Bhagesh Codebase and today we'll be learning about Kaggle. If you're a data scientist who is into machine learning or even just plain Python programming, this video is for you. So Kaggle is a website which was created by Google LLC. It's an online community for data scientists and machine learning practitioners. This website is essential if you are a data scientist or machine learning practitioner. Since I'm also new to Kaggle, I'll take you through the process of how I'm learning or what I'm learning while using Kaggle. Kaggle allows all the users to find, publish data and build a web-based data science environment, work with other data scientists, machine learning engineers, enter competitions to solve data science challenges. So here you can not only code on an online IDE or a Jupyter notebook, you can also publish your own data. Just in case you have a data set and you want to work with it, you can upload it, annotate it and use it in your script, and also build models, that is machine learning models. It's also a platform wherein people host competitions, and we'll get to that in a while. Let's just get started. Once you have signed in, your profile would look something like this. So basically what you'll be getting in this series is my first-hand experience of how I'm using it and what I'm learning, and I'll keep you all updated throughout. So first thing you need to do is link your GitHub account so that becomes easier for you to manage your repositories as well as store your data in the repositories or transfer them directly in the repositories. So that's one thing. Just in case if you have not checked out my tutorial on GitHub, I'll give a link in the description. Make sure to check that out. So why Kaggle? If you're a data scientist or a coder, you might think that there are multiple online free IDEs or Jupyter Notebook services out there. Why should I pick Kaggle? So Kaggle is more than just a IDE or a website. Just in case if you go to home, so this is just like Instagram feed or Twitter feed where you'll get to see all the things on which people are working on right now. So this was about home. The next thing which I like you all to see is the data. Here Kaggle offers you free data sets which are hosted here. You can download, manage, play with it, or even create a notebook right here and import the data and work on it right along. I mean, without even wasting any time or without even setting up an environment. Just in case I go to data analyst jobs, this again is a data set. So if you scroll below, it's a CSV file and there is only one file, and it'll give you the size, and not just that, you can view the dataset real time along with the column names, and the entire dataset is visible right here. Just in case you are a bit skeptical about what the data is and is it suitable for your work or project, you can just have a look at it right here. And plus it will give you a summary as well, and it is also suggest you the similar data sets if you want to have a look at them. This was about data, and we'll be going through how to manage, how to import or how to interact with the data sets in coming sessions. Today we'll just look into the interface and what things you can do or you cannot do in this Kaggle platform. So the next thing is notebooks. So if you click on notebooks, it will give you the public notebooks which have been ranked or voted currently the highest, and you can go through them and learn as well as understand how they have been using this Kaggle website. Besides every notebook, it will give you a result as to whether it's giving you a plot or visualization, also the output, how many data files and stuff. If you just hover over it, will give you the details, and it will also specify the language in which it has been coded and the number of comments. So basically all you have to do is just click on this and you'll land into the notebook, and you can just have a look at it real time. So this is how a Python Jupyter notebook would look like, and if you like this, you can just upvote this. So after this, the most important thing I would like you all to do is go to the section called courses and have a look at the courses. If you're a beginner, this is a good thing. I myself have completed 2 courses here, and let me tell you, these are the easiest, cleanest and to the point courses I have come across till now. These courses range from Python, it will start from very basic to more advanced things like data visualization, machine learning, natural language processing, Also intro to game AI and reinforcement learning. So just in case if you are a beginner and want to learn coding in a properly documented manner or a systematic manner along with working with a real data set, you should definitely go check these courses out. And not just that, you'll also get a free certificate of completion. Let me just show you how the certificate looks like. It's a digital copy. So once you complete the course, you'll get a certificate like this. You get to download it and print it out, or you can share it on Twitter as well as LinkedIn. So this was about the courses. And why Kaggle? Again, if you're asking me, the concern of a data scientist is they don't get enough recognition or enough returns for the talent they have. But in Kaggle, that is not the case. You can go to the section named Compete. Here basically all the recent competitions which are being hosted by top-notch company in medical organizations or people in particular are listed here. And if you look at the amount, it's not just a small amount, and it's not going to be easy if you're going to solve this out. But just in case if you scroll down, these are like for practice purpose. Just in case you want to learn how these competitions work, you can dive into these, which says knowledge or kudos and or swag. Is just a tag name which they use that you just to put this out that you'll be not earning money, but you'll be earning knowledge, or you'll learn how to handle data in this notebooks. So these basically are all of the competitions which are out there, and if you scroll on top, it'll give you like $55,000 is not a small amount. Once you're done learning the courses and you understand how things work around here, or how to build a Kaggle notebook with proper analysis or machine learning models, you can apply them here and earn all of these. And let me tell you, Kaggle is free of cost. It doesn't cost you even a penny to upload your data, create Kaggle notebooks or Jupyter notebooks to be precise, or use it as an IDE. It's completely free. So this was about competitions. And let me just go back to the section called notebooks. In notebooks, you have two options to create a new notebook or a new IDE, open up a new Python IDE for scripting. First thing is, once you select notebook, on the right hand side on top it says new notebook, or else you can go to your work. It will show you the number of notebooks which you have published. Let me know if I could improve anything over here, or if I've done any mistakes. And just in case if you like it, make sure to upvote it by clicking here. So yeah, just in case if you want to create a new notebook, you can click on this new notebook section, and once you click on this notebook, you get two options: either create a notebook or start scripting. The scripting section will be like an IDE. You can choose any one of them, and you also get the option to choose whether you want to code in Python or R. So it's just not restricted to Python, you can code in R as well. And after that, in the advanced section, if you know what these services mean, then you're at the right place, and these are the things which you will need in the long run. First thing is, if you have a GCP account, subscribe to the Google Cloud Services, you get an option to link the Google Cloud Service to your notebook, which is built in. It's a hassle-free process, and you can just click on one button and enable Google Cloud Services in your notebook. And after that, there's something called accelerator. Basically from here you can check either you want to use GPU or TPU. GPU for graphical processing units and TPU for tensor processing units, which are much faster than GPUs and usually used for machine learning models. So we'll get into how to set up a notebook or how to use it in the coming sessions. This is how you access or create a notebook. So just in case you're done creating a notebook and you want to find it out, it'll be here in your work. There's one more feature. If I go back to public and click on any of the notebooks which I can see here, on the right hand side you get the option to copy and edit it. If you click on copy, a copy of it will be saved to the section where it says your work. Here it will save a copy of that notebook, and you can work on the scripts which that person has written, probably improvise on it or add some of your own creativity and publish it again. So you also get the option to filter it out based on the categories and whether the output is a CSV file, data file, or a data visualization, a language which can be Python, R, SQL, or Julia. And also tags. You can put your own tags, like for example Pandas, and if you click on the tag, it will filter the books based on that tag, And if you see right now I'm on the second position, make sure to hit upvote button. And this was about Kaggle. So basically, if you're planning to learn coding, or even have a thought about to learn, or even if you're an expert, even if you're intermediate in this field, if you don't have enough experience, or even if you have enough experience, this is the platform for you to showcase your talent, or to even learn new things and apply them real time on real or data sets. So this was about introduction to Kaggle, and we'll be learning much more in coming sessions. Hope you like this video. This is Bhagesh Code Beast signing out. Thanks for watching.